Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see these cool gadgets and hacks we've got in this video. Let's see the tools and hacks this lady is using in her apartment. She's gonna clean this sink using this brush. It's really cool. Makes the task easier and fast. She's using this rack for her dispensers. We've got this mop you can use for the floor. It's really amazing. It makes the task easier and fast. I've got this washing machine with these items you can use for your toilet. She's cleaning her toilet using this brush. We've got this plastic shelf. This is a small mop you can use for windows and mirrors. We've got this small brush you can use for your gas stove. It's really helpful. You can also use it for cleaning other stuff. We've got this mop you can use for mirrors. We've got this one you can use for cleaning your toilet and the sink. We've got this one you can use for couches. That's an electric brush. You've got these gloves you can use for cleaning, and this brush for dusting off dust. You've got this slime you can use for cleaning electronic devices like remote controllers in your laptop. Your towel. This is another beautiful apartment. She's washing her clothes using this small washing machine. She's cleaning the sink using this small brush. It's really cool. It makes the task easier and fast. This is another brush. We've got this folding plastic tub. This is a mop you can use for cleaning the floor. She's gonna clean her bathroom. This is the mirror. She's using this small mop. Really cool. She's cleaning the tap using this sponge. We've got this plastic tub you can use for washing your clothes, like under pants. this mop again, you can use for the floor. She's gonna clean her toilet again using this product in this brush. We've got this brush you can use for cleaning your shower. We've got this small mop you can use for windows and mirrors. We've got this brush you can use for small corners and small items. We've got this brush you can use for the toilet. You can use this small mop for cleaning different things. You can also use it for your toilet. We've got this dispenser you can use for liquid soap. We've got this rock